Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Friday, the 17th of July. Here's your weather wisdom for today. Before we get to today's weather wisdom, which is sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham for all your garden needs, and you can still plant some stuff across the area. I'm still planting. I put in beans the other day. I'm going to put peas in soon. I'll be putting in uh, more carrots as well. So, meteorological summer runs from June 1st until August 31st, and the first half is done in the book. 73.8 was the average high temperature in Boston. That was good enough for the warmest start first half on record. Also, the warmest first half in Blue Hill and Providence. And what's interesting is 73.8 beats it by zero point 0.6 degrees over 1976. That's quite a bit to beat the average for half of a climatological season. Just to give you an idea, 73.2, 1976 is number two, and then 73 degrees even for 2024, 2021, and 1983. So three of the top 5 years of the first half of summer have been since 2021. If things weren't warming up, that wouldn't be the case. So, it's just another illustration of climate change and what we've done to the planet. I'll have more about smoke and what is related and what isn't in the coming days. I'm still working on some stuff, just getting some stats. So temperatures today in the mid 80s, lots of sunshine, relatively dry. Tonight we're back down to the 60s, even some 50s in the burbs. Tomorrow, sunshine followed by increasing clouds, chance of a few showers as a warm front approaches, and we get pretty muggy here. The humidity is really going to surge in Saturday night and be with us, temperature near 70 with a few showers in the thunderstorm. And then we clear out on Sunday. Sunday's highs in the mid-80s. Monday also beautiful in the mid-80s. Much of next week looks seasonable, temperatures in the low to mid-80s. So my pick of the weekend is obviously Sunday with all that sunshine. Beautiful day. Have a great weekend, everybody.